Alright, so this is an interesting little experiment. Right here, I have a Cooler Master CPU cooler cooling a used 2600K i7. That motherboard is a brand new P8Z77i Deluxe. That is some used HyperX memory. Here is a used XFX 7750. That is a very, very used Power PC cooling 610 watt power supply. Here is an old Samsung 830 SSD, and I have it all rigged together, and holy shit, used parts isn't so bad. So the goal of this little project is to just cobble together some old junk, some used junk, with a new motherboard, and see how much performance I can really get out of it for pretty much a really dirt cheap budget. So let's install Windows, get things set up, and see how things go. Alright, Windows is now installing. I'm doing it through a USB stick. It's hard as shit without a mouse. I currently don't have a Windows key, so I'll just buy it later. For now, I'm just going to get it up and running, see how things go. Now, just a side note about this liquid cooler all-in-one. I brought it brand new, but after 5 minutes of handling it, about several months ago, I damaged the one of the core wires for the pump, and I recently soldered and fixed it. So, despite its low mileage, it's kind of been scrapped already in a certain way. So, this whole build is kind of like my own little version of Scrapyard Wars. If you haven't seen Scrapyard Wars, just check it out on Linus channel. It's pretty interesting. And so far everything seems to be holding up just fine. Alright, almost done installing Windows. Once that's done, I'll just update drivers. And I'll flip that little overclocking switch. And maybe run benchmarks or something. I don't know if I'll get it all done tonight. I got work early tomorrow. But so far so good on progress of putting this little thing together. I still don't have a case, so I'm just using this old motherboard tray as my little makeshift test bench. It isn't much, but it's working for now.